trauma the Krama, Evixel the Schmitzel, and
Trauma.
Yeah, the three musketeers. The three musketeers want to go play some more. Like a fucking Yo, this nigga has a fucking ponytail like a WWE star. Ugly ass.
WWE 1, 2, 3, put it in. Like said, oh my god.
Shut up, you greaser.
What?
Edie. Yeah. Badass bastard. Hillbilly. Badass bastard. Bastard. Badass. Hey, guess what? Attention all shoppers at the fucking local variety store. Attention all shoppers at the local variety store. Guess what? Skeety's gonna be upset because we ran out of tampons.
What?
Oh! Oh! Attention all shoppers.
Yo, shut up.
Skeety's upset because we ran out of tampons and pads.
Yo, shut up. Shut the fuck up, you bop. Nigga, every time you talk, you fucking sound like you're autism, you fucking bitch. You talk so fucking loud, you can hear it fucking echo through my mic, bitch. Yeah, dude, fucking always talking, boy. Talk so loud, dude. Always talking so loud, you can hear it through my fucking mic, bro. Calm the fuck down, aight? Yo, calm the down, dude. Expose me, dude. Do it. Come on, expose me. How are you? Please tell me, how are you supposed to expose me, dude? Everything you say isn't true, so... Everything you're saying about me isn't true.
Oh, this bitch ass nigga muted me, bro.
Yeah, dude.
No, I'm a fat ass.
I didn't mute him. Probably glitched and ass, probably lagging, dude.
What, bum?
I can hear him, so...
You got a fucking toady.
Well, I'm telling you, Nathan, he looks like Dom, bro. A white Dom. No, he looks like a white Dom. Just look at him, bro. Looks like a white Dom. Oh my god.
You're greasy. Motherfuckers! You greasy mother. You fucking retweet this ugly ass nigga. So I can see you ugly ass.
Oh my god.
Hey, are you done now?
Fucking retweet the nigga. Nigga had to fucking duct tape it. It was too tight. Motherfuckers. Shut up. You're all greasy anyway. You're all greasy as hell. You're right. Shut up, bitch. You got the mustard stain on your white tee, bitch. I'm a fucking genius. You know what they call me, a psychic? Yo, bro, nigga has MLG. I live in Chinatown. Toronto.
Chinatown.
Rat.
Go parade.
Chinatown.
Darshay, Johnny K, Diamonds go parade. Whoop!
Oh, those shoes were $50 each. $50. That's pretty fucking gay. You got a little bit of pictures of me saved on your electronic device. Oh, hell no. That was like about fucking 5 years ago when those bitches were popular.
Rat goof.
Seth Ewing. Seth Ewing is rat goof. Hey, Brent. Seth Ewing is rat goof. Seth Ewing is rat goof. Ah, Seth Ewing is rat goof. My fucking ass. Brendan.
Well,
They think Seth Ewing is rat goof. They think Seth Ewing is a rat. Oh, rat is Cody Hobbs. Okay? Cody Hobbs.
Oh yeah,
Look up
Cody
that
Hobbs.
guy.
H-O-B-B-S.
Look
Cody
at
Hobbs.
Cody Hobbs. That's rat goof. He's fucking genius. Cody Hobbs. He looks like a fucking alien. He's a fucking alien.
That's him. He had so much acne, bro. That's him.
Look at his fucking eyeballs. He's my boyfriend.
American Apparel. I'm done.
Call me the pussy destroyer.
Let me see.
Hey guys, you want me to start up the fucking world or what?
Cody Hobbs.
Why can't I host for once? Cause you guys fucking cheat. Look, I'm not even
Fucking die, yo! God! This nigga has himself in the dark. He ugly. You see his fat ass cheeks, bro? He fucking just fat as fuck. This nigga had a big ass fucking forehead, bro. Fucking.
I'm hosting. I'm hosting war. I am fucking hosting. I'm playing on a multi-power system.
What? I'm done, bro.
I'm hosting war.
Look at Raggoon. Go look at your kid. Go look at. I didn't know he was that ugly, man.
Dude, you guys are too scared to put any fucking pictures of you.
I already seen his Vixel. He's so ugly.
It's like a fucking
I would
Ricky.
never talk any shit, dude. I really wouldn't. This nigga
What?
this nigga cheeks are red as fuck.
Of course, I was smiling. Am I cold? Wait, don't kick him. Am I cold? What? How?
Kobe. Yeah, he's still on there. Kobe Skitty said that he posted a picture of Raggoon. Shut the fuck up, bitch. You gotta fucking join cell, nigga. I will. I gotta join it for a few minutes. You're like fucking 4'5" and you're like fucking like 200 fucking pounds, nigga.
behind me, yo. Selfie in the fucking mirror or anything like these fucking retards. That's why I'm smiling like that, you dude. I swear. So delusional, bro.
Fucking lopsided hairline, bro.
Joseph Buzzcut, bro. Hey, Joseph like Buzzcut. At least I don't have fucking
You guys are
dreads,
fucking
nigga.
Nike.
At least I don't got fucking
Nike.
dreads.
This shit looks like it's fucking Kate.
All I hear is laughing. I don't hear any talking. Bum. Kicking me.
You're right at me, dude. You're fucking. Oh my, your cheeks are red as fuck.
Dude, is that all you can say about my fucking cheeks, bro?
Fucking nose ring.
Cheeks are red as fuck. Like, what?
They're making fun of you because your cheeks are red in that picture.
Dude,
Like, what the fuck?
they're not even red either.
Because I'm smiling,
Looks
dude.
like you fucking put some mascara on her. I don't know what the fuck you put on her.
He keeps kicking me.
He gets fucking punched in the face. Dude, it looks like
That nigga's
his
lame,
fucking
bro.
nose. It looks like his fucking nose is like glued or some shit.
Keep kicking me, bro.
Ugly.
Oh, okay, now we're talking about my eyebrows. Oh, thanks,
Oh,
bud.
your fucking eyes look like you're retarded or something. You look just... My skinny bro. No, when I get an 8. When I get...
Got fucking curly ass hair too. Got curly ass hair, bro.
Dude, I'm done joking.
Vixel.
No, I don't.